Dear learners, how are you? I hope all of you are in a sound health with sound mind. COVID-19 has detached us from all of our classroom activities. We do not know when we will get rid of this pandemic and we will go back to our classroom again. So, Sirajganj Online School has arranged online classes to keep you attached with your lessons. I am Abul Kalam Azad, Assistant Professor in English of Belkusi Government College, welcoming you to join the online class arranged by Sirajganj Online School. I hope if you attend the classes regularly and attentively, you will be highly benefited. Dear students, my today's topic is vocabulary from your first paper, from English first paper. Vocabulary means the proper use of words in a language. It's an important part in our syllabus. Practicing vocabulary is very much helpful for you to make sentences correctly and to use a language fluently. In number 4, you will have a passage where you will have to fill up 10 blanks for which you will be rewarded 5 marks. There will be clues in the boxes above. There are more than 10 clauses in the boxes. You will have to make grammatical change if necessary. Dear students, now notice the passage I have already written in the board. There are some clues in the box and it's a passage. At first, you will have to go through the passage attentively and try to make out the meaning of the passage. In the first sentence, we find that education is one of the basic needs of a human being. Education is one of the basic needs of a human being. We get no gap in this sentence, but the sentence expresses the main topic of this passage. In the second sentence, we find it is dash for the dash of mind. In this sentence, we find 2 gaps. We know that if we find verb to be before the subject, then subject plus verb to be plus. If we find verb to be before the subject, then we may use an adjective to as the complement of the subject. So here it is a subject, is verb to be, and in the gap we can use an adjective to complete the sentence. From the box we will have to collect the word. We find that we can take importance from the box to complete the meaning of this sentence, but importance is a noun and we will have to use an adjective here. So we can sense important into an adjective. The adjective of importance is important, so we can use here important. It is important for the number B. We find another gap and the gap is immediately after article the. We know that article is set up article is usually set up before a noun. To determine a noun, we use an article. So after the, we can use a noun to complete the meaning of the sentence. It is important for the dash. Now we will have to use a noun here. It is important for the we can collect a word from the box to complete the meaning of the sentence. It is important for the develop. Develop is a word. This very word is related to this sentence, but develop is a verb. But we will have to use a noun. So we can change develop into a noun. The noun of develop is development. So we can set here development. Now the sentence is, it is important for the development of mind. It is important, এটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ for the development of mind. মানসিক বিকাশের জন্য এটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. Our meaning is okay. In the next sentence, many illiterate people do not have any. In number C, we find a gap immediately after any. We know that after is, every, no, any, we can use a noun to complete the meaning of the sentence. So here we will have to use a noun. Now we will look for a noun in the box. Many illiterate people do not have any. We can take no for the gap, but no is a verb, so we can use it, we can change it in principal verb, present form of verb. The second conditional. The first conditional is, we know that the first conditional is if plus present plus future. The second conditional is if plus past tense plus subject plus would oblique would plus present form of verb. And the third conditional is if plus past perfect tense plus subject plus would have oblique would have plus the past participle form of verb. In the third sentence, we find a structure conditional sentence. If they dash educated, they could live a dash and plan life. Here, if they, in number D, we find a gap between subject they and adjective educated. We usually use verb to be between a subject and an adjective. So we will try our best to set up here a verb to be. Verb to be, we can set up verb to be here to complete the meaning of the sentence. So we can use be from the box. If they, as the second, this sentence is in second conditional sentence, if plus past tense, so we can use was or were. If they, as the subject is plural number, they were educated. If they were educated, they could live a dash and plan life. In number E, we find another gap. The gap is connected by and after and we find an adjective. We know that and usually connects two words of same category. So as planned is an adjective, we can use here we can use an adjective. If they were educated, they could live a, now we go to the box to collect the word a. Health is a noun, but we'll have to say, use an adjective here. So healthy is the adjective of the word health, so we can use here healthy. If they were educated, they could live a healthy and planned life, and as connected to adjective here. Education teaches us how to live well. There is no gap here. In the next sentence, it dash us to make the right dash in life. We find two gaps in this sentence. The first gap is between the subject and object. If we find a gap between subject and object, we can use a finite verb, as the passage is in present indefinite tense. So we will have to use a finite verb, finite verb in present indefinite tense. It dash us. We collect a verb from the box, enable. It enable, but the subject is third person singular number, so we will have to use s or es after the verb. It enables us to make the right is an adjective, the right and gap will make a noun phrase. So after the right, we'll have to, this right is the pre-modifier of the noun. So we'll have to use here a noun to complete the phrase, the right dash. It enables us to make the right. We can look for a noun from the box, choice or choices in life. It enables us to make the right choices in life, or right choice in life, both are correct. It enhances our dash to perform our duties properly and dash our everyday problems. It enhances our is a possessive pronoun. We know that after possessive pronoun we will have to use a noun to complete the sentence. It enhances our dash. From the box we can use the word ability to complete the meaning of the sentence. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly. The clause is okay, and we find another clause that is connected by conjunction and dash our everyday problems. So as it enhances our ability to perform our duties properly, a clause, and dash our everyday problems, it's also a clause. After and we find a clause, so we'll have to use a finite verb here. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly and dash our everyday problems. Here enhance and face our everyday problems. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly and face our everyday problems. Now, in another sentence, in fact, it is education that brings positive changes in our life. In this sentence, we find two clauses. The first clause is it is education, and the second clause is that brings positive changes in our life. Here, the first clause is complete, and second clause before the finite verb we find a gap. So to complete the sentence we can use a relative pronoun to make a relative clause, who, which, or that. In the box we find which. For education we can use which brings positive changes in our life. Which brings positive changes in our life. Now we can go through the passage whether our answer is correct or not. Education is one of the basic needs of a human being. শিক্ষা মানুষের একটি মৌলিক প্রয়োজন, মৌলিক basic needs, মৌলিক চাহিদা. This passage is about the importance of education. From this sentence we are sure that this passage is about the importance of education. It is dash for the dash of mind. Subject plus verb to be plus adjective to complete the meaning of the sentence. After a subject, here it is a subject, is verb to be, and we will have to use an adjective as complement of the subject. So we can collect the word importance from the box, but importance is a noun, so we will have to change it into an adjective. It is important for the after article we will have to use a noun. After article we usually use a noun. So we can collect develop, which is related to the sentence, but develop is a verb, so we will have to use its noun, development of mind. Now we try to understand whether the meaning is complete or not. It is important for the development of mind. মানসিক বিকাশের জন্য it is important, এটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. That means শিক্ষা মানসিক বিকাশের জন্য অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. Meaning is okay. Now in the third sentence we find another gap after any. Many illiterate people do not have any dash of health. We know that is, every, no, any, After each, every, no, any, we can use a noun to complete the meaning of the sentence. So we'll have to look for a noun here from the box. The related word is no, but no is a verb, so we'll have to change it into a noun. The noun of no is knowledge. We can use knowledge in the gap. Now, many illiterate people do not have any knowledge of health. অনেক অশিক্ষিত মানুষের স্বাস্থ্য সম্পর্কে কোনো জ্ঞান নেই. The meaning is okay. Now, we can go to the third sentence. It's a conditional sentence. We find 3 or 4 conditional sentences. The first conditional sentence is if plus present plus future. The second conditional sentence is if plus past tense plus subject plus would or could plus the present form of verb. In the third conditional sentence we find if plus past perfect tense plus subject plus would have or could have plus the past participle of form of verb. Here it's the second conditional sentence. If they dash educated, they could live. In the second clause we find could live. The sentence begins with if, and in the second clause we find could live. So it's the second conditional sentence. So we'll have to use the past form of verb after the subject in first clause. So if there is a subject, there is the subject of this sentence, and educated adjective. So between subject and adjective we will have to use a linking verb, that means verb to be, as the linking verb of this sentence. So we can use be for the gap, but as the sentence is in past tense, as the first clause is in past tense, so we can use where. If they were educated, they could live a. Here 2 gaps are connected by and, a conjunction and. We know that and connects the same category of words. As planned is an adjective, so we'll have to use an adjective to fill up the gap. From the box we can take health for the gap, but health is a noun, so we can use adjective of the word healthy. If they were educated, they could live a healthy and planned life. যদি তারা শিক্ষিত হতো তাহলে তারা স্বাস্থ্যবান এবং পরিকল্পিত জীবনযাপন করতে পারত. Our meaning is okay. In the next sentence, education teaches us how to live well. There is no gap here. In the next sentence, it dash us to make the right dash in life. Here we find 2 gaps. The first gap is between the subject and the object. So we can use a finite verb here, as the passage is in present tense. So we will have to use a verb, the present form of verb. We can take enable from the box, but the subject is third person singular number. So we will have to use yes or yes after the verb. It enables us to make the right dash in life, a noun phrase. So after adjective we will have to use a noun. From the box we can use choice. It enables us to make the right choices in life. এটা আমাদের জীবনের সঠিক পছন্দের সময় বাছাই করতে আমাদেরকে কী করে সাহায্য করে, আমাদের সঠিক প্রফেশন, সঠিক অকুপেশন বাছাই করতে আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করে, কোনটা ভালো কোনটা মন্দ আমাদেরকে বাছাই করতে সাহায্য করে. It enhances our, in the next sentence, it enhances our dash to perform our duties properly and face a dash our everyday problems. It enhances our is a possessive pronoun. We know that after possessive pronoun my, our, your, his, her, their, we can use a noun. So we can take ability to complete the meaning of the sentence. It enhances our ability to perform our duties properly, and another verb, we will have to use another verb, face our everyday problems. In fact, it is education dash brings positive changes in our life. Here we find 2 clauses. It is education, a single clause, and dash brings positive changes in our life. It's also a clause, but there is no subject before the verb. So we can use any relative pronoun who is that as a subject of this clause. From the box we can use which for education, which brings positive changes in our life. In this passage we find some rules of vocabulary. You will try your best to practice vocabulary more and more The more you will practice, the more you will be able to make sentence easily and correctly. No more today. See you again. Thank you.